My name is Simran. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a product that I recently received, which is called
The Instax Mini 11.
It's a Polaroid camera, and this is the first thing that I'm going to try and do the unboxing in the entire video. I will also take you through various ways that you can use
Instax Mini 11.
So before we get into the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Let's get started. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes with the Mini 11, these button kind of things, which we'll find out what it is, the manual. It comes in various languages, and a warranty registration card like this. You have to go to their website to actually register your product. It came in a bubble wrap, and this is what the product looks like. It is so pretty. It's very lightweight, and this is where the film will come from after you take a picture. Here is for the battery. So you actually get the batteries with the order, but you don't get the set of film, so you need to buy that separately. To show you what this looks like, this is where you actually put the film. Alright. This here is actually how you start the camera. When you click it, this thing comes out, okay? And if you need to close it, then you will actually just have to press it back. So a really cool thing about this product is that it comes with a selfie mode. So whenever you are clicking a selfie, you can actually see here in the mirror how the picture is going to come. It here says selfie mode. So the camera will actually tell you when you can take a selfie. Okay, this is the power button that you have to click to take a picture. You will have to look from here and then you can take a picture. This here is a guide that will actually tell you how you're supposed to paste it. It comes with these two stickers, which you're supposed to use to stick the accessories on top of your camera. Just have to take out you have to apply it on top of here like this, and then you have to remove the brown tape because it's a double-sided tape, so it will help the accessories stick. Okay, so now you can see it's clear. So it comes in two colors, the buttons that you get as an accessory. Because my Instax Mini came in a pink color, so I got a pink one. Maybe you'll get a different accessory, and a white one, just in case you don't want to go ahead with the whole color theme. Basically, I'm done sticking it here. Coming to the second accessory that I got with my product, the brand sent me, is this film. It comes with 10 sheets and 2 packs. So basically, one pack contains 10 sheets. So it retails for $999. This is the kind of packaging that it comes in. The main thing about the film is that after you have actually inserted it in the camera and used it once, you cannot at any cost open the camera to check the film again. That if you actually put it and you have clicked a picture, you have used it once, you're not supposed to open it. If you do that, then the black film will turn white and you will not be able to get any pictures printed. Now they have actually made it very easy for you to know how you're supposed to apply the film. There's a yellow mark on top of the camera and there's a yellow mark on the film itself, so you know exactly how it's supposed to go in. It also says that on this side of the film you're not supposed to touch it because this is what will actually be getting printed. Basically, other than the plastic area, you're not supposed to touch anything here or even here. So after I've applied it and I'm going to close it down, what will happen is that these two things will go inside this area, and I think that's the reason why you're not supposed to open it. So I think instead of taking my own picture, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take the camera's picture so that something comes out. Oh shit! Oh, I accidentally clicked it. Oh, I cannot believe. Oh, sorry. It is not the picture. So basically, like, the top of the film has already come out. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a sample picture here. And now the picture is going to get printed. See. Now that I've heard the sound stopping, I'm just going to tear it up. And I'm going to wait for the film to appear. It actually looks very vintage. Like if you want to make an album out of it, I think it will turn out to be a great memory. You know how in this era we already have like a lot of cameras and everything, but nobody has any hard copy. So it's very easy for your data to get lost, or all your memories to go away, for your phone to be stolen. A lot of things can happen. But the great thing that I find about Instax Mini 11 is that it actually helps you capture all those memories and give you a hard copy for you to keep and always remember. These are the kind of things, these are kind of pictures that you can also use to make scrapbooks. So I think it's a must have for all the scrapbook lovers. And on that note, I completely forgot, I also got an album from Instax. They gave out this mini album with a sample picture just to show how like what the size of the product is going to be. Very cute way, just so that you can have cover picture here. You can have a lot of Polaroid pictures in this. The great thing about this is also that even if you have earlier like older pictures of yourself and your friends or whatever pictures that you want a hard copy of, all you need to do is just point the camera towards that hard copy, take a picture, and the exact thing is going to come out. So it's like you're replicating the images that you already have for somebody to give. A lot of festivals like Diwali and Bhaiya Dooj are coming, and I think this will make a perfect gift for you to give to your best friend, your siblings, your parents on their anniversary, a birthday present, like in any kind of present you can give. This not only serves as a camera, but it also serves as a very pretty accessory. If you're a photographer, you can not only use this to click pictures, but you can also use this as one of a prop. I would have to say that I'm absolutely loving the colors. It also comes in many other colors. This is something that you can always carry. It's very lightweight, and I have to say that I'm really impressed. The only kind of investment that you will be needing after purchasing this would have to be first the films and second the batteries. And I think the batteries will last for a really long time. So it can not only be used to make scrapbooks, but also as a really great addition when it comes to home decor. If you want to decorate your entire room with personalized pictures, with your travel pictures, with your school pictures, and lots of memories, then you can simply take those pictures and use them on your wall as shown in this picture. Another way to use it would be as an accessory. Now Insta Mini 11 is so pretty that you can even use it as an accessory whenever you're styling an outfit. To see how I style my Instax Mini 11 in different outfits, go to my Instagram handle and check out my reels. Not only that, if you're a photographer, you can use this not to click pictures, but also to add a vintage and very minimalist feel in your flat lays. Other than that, it also serves as a great addition to your current bookshelf like mine. You can use this as a prop, you can use this as a decor. I think all the colors are so pretty that they will blend in with your entire feel of the room, your entire theme of the room. And last but not the least would be to give Instax Mini 11 to your friend as a gift. Not only can you create an album out of all the pictures that you have, Instax Mini 11 is a perfect gift that says that you can capture your memories that will last forever. So on that note, the video has come to an end, and I hope that you liked it. To purchase the Instax Mini 11 and all the different models that are available on the website, go to the description box below and check out the links. You can also buy it on Amazon with a film pack. Film pack does not come with it, but that's something that you will have to buy separately. So with that, our video has come to an end, and I hope that you found the video helpful and you enjoyed watching Instax Mini 11. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.